Hey there, future investors. Today I will teach Warren Buffett's 7 best investing rules for beginners. These tips allowed him to turn $1,000 into over $30 million. Even amateur investors can rapidly improve their skills using Buffett's proven strategy. By the end of this video, you'll learn Warren Buffett's top secrets for smart investing and growing your money over time. These powerful yet easy tips represent decades of Buffett's real-world investing wisdom that any beginner can understand and apply. These core principles encapsulate Warren Buffett's 50-plus year track record of market-crushing returns and investing wisdom. Learn and correctly apply these rules on valuation, long-term mindset, and margin of safety. Following these precepts of the world's greatest investor will dramatically increase beginner investment success. Rule number 1. Invest for the very long term. Warren Buffett's #1 rule is to only buy a stock if you feel fine holding it for at least 5 years, preferably 10 years or more. As Warren says, don't own a stock even 10 minutes if you wouldn't want to own it 10 years. This focuses you on thinking about the long-term business prospects rather than short-term stock price changes. Patience is key. For example, Warren has owned Coca-Cola stock since 1988, over 30 years and counting. He also says don't invest in stocks if you can't handle very big price drops from time to time, even 50% crashes during market panic periods. Remember, patiently holding stocks for many years beats trying to jump in and out, predicting market timing. Patience pays. Rule number 2, avoid losing money. This sounds simple, but it is absolutely critical. Warren's #2 rule is, don't lose money. It is fine to have a few average investments as long as you avoid major losses that will drag down your total returns over time. For example, just this year in 2022, Warren swiftly sold the Taiwan semiconductor stock he had recently bought after realizing he had made a poor decision. He sold before the losing position became too painful. Sometimes it is wise to sell at a small loss rather than hope a poor investment recovers back to positive territory. Let your winning investments grow very large, but cut out the losers early on. Rule number 3, only invest in quality companies at fair prices. This rule sums up Warren Buffett's entire approach to buying stocks in just 7 words. First, identify high-quality, easy-to-understand companies with clear competitive strengths and advantages over competitors. These could be things like valuable brands, patents, exclusive contracts, lower costs than peers, etc. Use conservative estimates and valuations to set a target buy price. Wait patiently to buy when the stock price falls due to negative headlines or pessimism. This negative sentiment creates a margin of safety relative to intrinsic value. During the 1987 crash, Buffett bought top blue chips like Coca-Cola at bargain prices while others panicked and sold. Buffett followed his advice to be greedy when others are fearful by keeping a steady hand when others overreacted. Controlling emotions allowed Buffett to seize opportunities from excessive market pessimism. Rule number 4. Stay inside your circle of competence. In investing, it is vital that you never bite off more than you can reasonably expect to chew. Stick firmly within your circle of competence at all times, defined as the business sectors and companies you thoroughly understand. Warren himself mainly sticks to reliable sectors like consumer products and financial companies, not high-tech domains involving lots of jargon or fast change. While no one expects a beginner to be an expert on every industry, getting strong grasp of a company is non-negotiable before making a long-term investment. Thoroughly research a company's business, customers, suppliers, industry, finances, past cycles, leadership. Stay within your circle of competence. Ignorance heightens risk. Fully understand a company's economics before investing capital. Rule number 5, be scared when others are too excited. Get excited when others are scared. This rule is about taking advantage of how investors' emotions can swing from being very greedy and optimistic to being very fearful and pessimistic about the stock market. Put simply, aim to buy shares of quality companies when everyone else is irrationally panicked selling them at dirt-cheap prices in a market crash atmosphere. And sell or avoid stocks when they seem wildly overpriced amid speculation-fueled market manias. Buffett kept a cool head during the 2008 financial crisis while others panicked. He seized bargain stock deals amidst the fear-gripping markets. Controlling emotions presents unique opportunities when others are fearful. Rule number 6, seize rare life-changing investment opportunities. Truly wealth-building investment opportunities only come a few times in the average person's lifetime. Think the 1929 Great Depression or the dot-com bubble bursting. When an epic crisis does hit, have spare investing money ready to deploy, be psychologically prepared for scary headlines, and have the wisdom and conviction to take aggressive financial action when everyone else is paralyzed by fear. Warren openly regrets not buying tons more Fannie Mae shares decades ago when the company's future seemed bleak and shares got embarrassingly cheap. When the next crisis and once-in-a-decade opportunity comes along, make sure you have prepared in advance and have the courage to act while others are panicking. Rule number 7, view yourself as a business owner, not a stock trader. Unlike hyper-focused stock market traders, Warren does not view buying quality stocks as a form of mere gambling, speculation, or computer screen watching. He sees every single stock purchase as acquiring partial ownership in a real operating business that makes goods or provides services to customers. Do your homework on a company before investing. Understand the business, management, financials, etc. deeply as if you owned the whole company. Develop a long-term owner mindset to tune out short-term price swings and stick to your original analysis. Focus on the company's long-term prospects rather than chasing quick profits. Now, which principle resonates most with you right now and why? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe.